Eighth problem, if a is to b is to c is equals to 7 is to 8 is to 9, find cos c is to cos b is to cos c. So let us start the solution. In solution, let us write what is given. So given a is to b is to c is equals to 7 is to 8 is to 9. So let this be for a, for some constant we will take this as a is equals to 7k. For b is equals to 8k. For c 9k. So these are the three values which we are taking by taking k. Next, we know from cosine rule. From cosine rule, we are having cos a is equals to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Cos b is equals to a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac. For cos c, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Let us write here, let us substitute these values here. So cos a is equals to b is 8k, so 8k square plus c is 9k square minus 7k square by 2 bc, 8k 9k. Cos a is equals to 8k square. 8 square is 64k square, 81k square minus 49k square by 2 8s are 16, 9 8s are 72, 72 2s are 4 2 7s are 14. So 144 k into k is k square. So cos a is equals to, if we add this, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 8 is 14 k square minus 49 k square by 144 k square. So cos a is equals to 15 minus 9 is 6 and 13 minus 4 is 9 by 144 k square. K square cancel. 12 8s are 96, 12 12s are 144. So 4 2s are 4 3s are. So the answer is 2 by 3. Next we will find out cos b. So cos b is equals to, a square is 7k square. So that is 7k square plus 9k square minus 8k square by 2a is 7k, c is 9k is equals to cos b. 7 square is 49 k square, 81 k square minus 8 is 64 k square by 7 9s are 63. 63 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. So 126 k square, k into k square. Next, cos b is equals to 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10, 4 plus 8 is 12, 13 k square minus 64 k square by 126 k square. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 13, 12 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So 66 k square by 126 k square. K square cancel. 6 11s are, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are. So 11 by 21. Next is cos c. A square is 7k square. B square is 8k square. C square is 9k square. By 2AB. A is 7k and B is 8k. Cos C is equals to 7 square is 49k square, 64k square, 81k square by 7 8s are 56. So 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 112 k square, k into k square. So cos C is equals to 9 plus 4 is 13, 6 plus 4 is 10, 11 k square minus 81 k square by 112 k square. So cos C is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 k square, 11 minus 8 is 3 by 112 k square. K square cancel. So 8 4s up, 8 1s up, 8 4s up. So 2 2s are, 2 7s up. So that is cos C is equals to 2 by 7 and cos B is equals to 11 by 21 and cos A is equals to 2 by 3. Let us find out its ratios. Now we will find the ratio of cos A is to cos B is to cos C. So cos A is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is to cos B is 11 by 21 is to cos C is 2 by 7. First we need to eliminate this 3. So let us multiply this whole with 3. So 3 into 2 by 3 is to 3 into 11 by 21 is to 3 into 2 by 7. So we will get 3 cancel, 2, 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So 11 by 7. Next is 3 2s are 6, 6 by 7. Now let us multiply this whole with 7. So we will get like this. 7 into 2 is 2. 7 into 11 by 7 is 2. 7 into 6 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. 7 7 cancel, 11. 7 7 cancel, 6. So the ratio is cos A is to cos B is to cos C is equals to 14 is to 11 is to 6.